All right, number 82. You should have this formula memorized, the antiderivative of tangent of x. You should have it memorized, but if you don't, remember it's sine over cosine. U is the denominator. Du is negative sine of x d of x, so sine of x d of x, which is the entire numerator, is negative du. So we can rewrite this as the opposite of the antiderivative of du over u, which is the opposite of natural log of u, which is cosine of x. And so we should be able to have that memorized and just go straight to knowing this formula, and we're going to apply it in this integrand. So first we'll do a u substitution. Let u equal theta over 3, and then du is equal to 1/3 d theta. And d theta is therefore 3 du. Okay, doing the substitution, we have tangent of u, and d theta is 3 du. Or 3 times tangent of u du, and we know what the tangent's antiderivative is. The opposite of the natural log of cosine of u. And in this problem, I bounce back from the u expression to the theta expression, so we can keep these limits of integration as theta goes from 0 to pi, which gives us 3 times this evaluated at pi minus that evaluated at 0. Okay. So cosine of pi over 3 is a half. So we have negative natural log of a half minus, and then cosine of 0 is 1, so a negative natural log of 1. And we know that that's equal to 0. So we have a final answer of negative 3 natural log of a half.